dog? If you do, you know that they don't get satisfied with just their dry kibble and are always asking for something good and different, right? We also like to offer some treats when we want to teach the dog a new trick or when we just want to pamper them a little bit. In addition to the usual dog treats, some other foods can be good even for your pet's health. Check out these foods that you can add to your shopping list and please even your pet. Banana. Did you know that dogs love bananas and carrots? Rich in potassium, banana is a source of energy and prebiotic fibers that aid in digestion and the immune system. But don't get carried away with your dog's enthusiasm. 1 banana per day is the limit, and it's best not to give this treat every day. Carrot. Of all the items in this list, carrots are the favorites of almost every dog. Besides being rich in vitamin A, it contains vitamin C, K, B complex, potassium, and beta-carotene. It helps balance the body, cleans the teeth, and improves chewing. To give carrots to your dog, peel them and cook without adding any salt or seasonings. Chayote. Your dog is overweight and you don't know what to do anymore? The answer is simple. Get rid of all the treats that you always offer to your pet and substitute them with chayote. Rich in fiber and many vitamins, it will please your dog and improve their digestion. Apple. What makes apples delicious for dogs is the crunchiness. Be careful when feeding your dog apples and never leave the seeds or the stem. The best is to serve the fruit diced and unpeeled, ensuring that your pet will get only the benefits such as higher immunity and regulated glycemia. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Watermelon. We always talk about watermelon on our channel, but this is the first time we talked about giving it to dogs. Watermelon is perfect for hot days since it's refreshing and will keep your pet hydrated. Remove the rind and seeds and your dog will love it. Pear. Serve pear to your dog in the same way you do with apples, diced and without stem and seeds. This fruit is rich in vitamins B1, B2, C, A, and niacin, all of which strengthen the immune system and the intestines. Mango. Mango basically keeps your pet young for longer, which means it prevents premature aging and helps maintain the conjunctive tissues. This is all thanks to the carotenoids that have antioxidant action. Serve it peeled and pitted. Kiwi. Rich in vitamin C, kiwi is great for dogs. Sweet and tasty, dogs go crazy for it. All you need to do is peel the kiwi and let your pet enjoy it. It is important to note that all these foods should be only offered occasionally as a treat. Never add any kind of seasoning while preparing the vegetables, and don't forget to remove any seeds. Before making any type of decision about your pet's diet, talk to a trusted veterinarian and ask their opinion. Now tell us, which one of these foods does your dog like the most? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.